Have you ever noticed how strange it feels when a number just disappears? Like when you're watching your favorite TV series, and the next episode suddenly skips from episode 8 to episode 10. You instantly start wondering, wait, what happened to 9? That same sense of curiosity might be coming to the iPhone lineup soon. Reports suggest that Apple could do something unexpected again, skipping the iPhone 19 altogether and jumping straight from the iPhone 18 to the iPhone 20. Sounds crazy, right? But for Apple, it actually makes perfect sense. According to new information from ET News and industry researcher Hyomu Yol, Apple plans to mark the iPhone's 20th anniversary with a big leap, not just in design and technology, but even in its naming. The iPhone 20 could debut in early 2027, right alongside the iPhone 18e, while the premium models like the iPhone 20 Air, Pro, Pro Max, and even the next generation iPhone Fold might follow in the second half of the year. It's a bold move, but suits Apple. By the way, what's your take on this? Feel free to share in the comments. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Now, if name changing sounds familiar, that's because Apple has done it before. Back in 2017, it skipped the iPhone 9 and went straight to the iPhone 10 to celebrate 10 years of the iPhone. The result? A complete redesign that changed how we think about smartphones, with Face ID, an edge-to-edge screen, and no home button. It was a statement that Apple doesn't just follow numbers, it follows milestones. And now, it might be preparing to do it again for the iPhone's 20th anniversary. Interestingly, Apple also skipped iOS 19 this year and jumped directly to iOS 26, syncing its software version numbers with the year, just like car manufacturers do with their models. Microsoft did something similar too when it skipped Windows 9 and launched Windows 10 as the next era of Windows. So, in Apple world, skipping a number doesn't mean missing something. It usually means something big is coming. The timeline makes it even more interesting. The iPhone 17e is expected in early 2026 as Apple's affordable option, followed by the iPhone 18 Pro, Pro Max, and Air in September 2026. But instead of releasing the regular iPhone 18 model, Apple might jump ahead straight to the iPhone 20 lineup in early 2027. That means, for the first time ever, there may be no standard iPhone 18 at all. Skipping a base iPhone model, however, comes with risk. Analysts believe bypassing the iPhone 18 could reduce shipments by as much as 20 million units, since the standard iPhone usually sells the most and attracts buyers who prefer a simpler, less expensive option. Yet, Apple might see this as a calculated move, an opportunity to make the iPhone 20 a special edition, marking 2 decades of iPhone innovation, much like the iPhone 10 was a symbol of change and celebration 10 years ago. If Apple does move forward with this naming jump, it will signal not just a marketing shift, but also a new era in how the company structure its launches. It may use the iPhone 20 to highlight a fresh design language, cutting-edge AI integration, or other major leaps in hardware and software. This might be big enough to justify skipping a generation number entirely. For Apple, this could be more than just a name change. It could be the beginning of a new chapter for the iPhone itself. Whether this plan becomes reality or not, one thing's clear. Apple seems ready to rethink how it releases and markets its most important product. And if history is any indication, every time Apple takes a bold leap, the entire smartphone industry tends to follow. So, what's your take on this new move from Apple? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys next video.